Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I tried out yet another Jaclyn Cosmetics product. I tried out her blushes and bronzers that she released, as well as some other products that I already had, like her highlighters and her moonlight powder. So stay tuned for that, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe. Alrighty guys, I am back with another Jaclyn Cosmetics product because she just keeps releasing launches and I just keep buying them because I love her so much and I'm so excited for everything that she's been coming out with. But today I am trying out the Jaclyn Cosmetics Bronze and Bronzing Duo. Yeah, I'm just going to be testing out the blush and bronzer, but then I'll also show you guys her moonlight powder and also her highlighter since I already have them. So I got the shades Lilac Love and Top Tan. So I ordered the lightest shade because I had in my cart like a middle shade, like the medium shade. Yeah, and it sold out before I could even check out. So I ended up with the first one, which is okay. And I mean, I am very fair anyway, so I'm sure this will work out just fine. But look at this packaging. I honestly cannot handle it. It is black with a rose gold J and it says Jaclyn. It's just very clean and stunning. I was obsessed with the packaging. It's a nice bulky package, so it is just so beautiful. It looks extremely expensive, and yeah, this is gorgeous. I'm totally keeping this out of my vanity for display. Here are the two shades there. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And the inside says Jaclyn Cosmetics as well. And it comes with a stunning mirror too. Oh, don't mind my Dunkin' Donuts right there. But yeah, it's a very high quality mirror. So I think that is just honestly so stunning. As you can see, my face looks extremely flat. Like there's no dimension to it, which is awesome how blush and bronzer can create like your face shape by so much. So I'm going to dip into the bronzing shade first, but I'm first picking up my Alamar Cosmetics bronzer brush, which I love this brush because it's just perfect for the hollows of your cheeks. I feel like it gives me really good shape and helps blend in the product so much. I heard from the review of these products that the blush and bronzer is extremely blendable, so that's awesome. I'm not sure how much to use, so I'm just gonna tap off some of that extra. And like I said, this is probably too light for my skin tone, but honestly, that's okay since we're still in the winter. Wait, actually, it might be working really well for my skin tone because sometimes I put on bronzer and my cheeks look orange, you know what I mean? Yeah, this is blending on stunning. Taking that into my hairline and then just like a C shape around my face. Okay, wow, you can see this side versus this side. Oh yeah, I am very impressed. Okay. So I think I'm going to be buying more of these shades because honestly, just from this bronzer, it is beautiful. I sometimes have a problem with bronzer looking splotchy, but look how beautiful that application is. I mean, that's gorgeous. By the way, guys, my eyeshadow is from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 2 palette. So I felt like wearing full face of Jaclyn. Even though her eyeshadow palette wasn't from her Jaclyn Cosmetics, I mean, she still made it, so that's why I wore it today too. And I wanted to do purples since I got my necklace, and since the blush shade was called Lilac Love, I felt like just wearing those type of shades. So I'm gonna dip into the blush here, and I'm going to use my all-time favorite blush brush. It is the Luxie 514 blush brush. I love this because it's a huge fluffy brush. It does have a little bit of product on it already, but I just kind of wiped it off so we could really see how the blush works. But yeah, this brush is amazing. This is how I apply all my blushes because it just sort of gets the application really pretty and blown out, and yeah, I love it. I definitely love blush. I'm definitely a blush girl. I love loading a lot of blush on my face, so yeah, let's see how this goes on. So I think I would definitely need a couple layers to get it to where I need it to be, but as you can see, gorgeous. It has just enough sheen in there where it's not sparkly, but it's going to make your cheeks look extremely plump and healthy. Okay, yes. This side versus this side, love it, love it, love it. That's stunning. And by the way, I didn't put any powder on my face. My foundation is a little bit more on the dewier side, but every time I powder my face, I feel like the blush doesn't ever stick correctly. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. I'm sure it goes great over powder anyways, because most people do powder their face, but I've been liking just leaving it without powder. Be right back while I layer this whole blush and bronzer palette on my face. I'm just gonna take a little more bronzer and put it around my hairline. Yeah, A+++. I am honestly truly obsessed. I didn't have any doubts. I knew this was gonna be amazing because I said in my last video with her lipstick collection that she was gonna come out with blushes, and I was right, and this is gorgeous. Love it. I love it, love it, love it. And I'll keep on using it, and I'll probably get more shades to show you guys in more videos and just to have them, because I feel like I need options with blushes and bronzers depending on my skin tone. Obviously, like in the summer, I would need like a little bit of a darker shade when I get more of a tan, but right now this actually works perfect. I'm going to show you guys her mood light powders, how they work and perform too. This is her old packaging from a year or two ago, but she did change it to a square packaging now instead of the circle packaging, but I still have a lot of this left. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm just going to set some of my parts of my face with it so you can see. My face is already pretty glowy, so I'm probably not going to use too much of it, but this is a great powder if you feel like your face is looking really dry or flat. This just helps add some glow back into your face, so I definitely love it. It's just like a setting powder, but it has a little bit of sheen to it, so I have been using this in my makeup routine quite a lot, and yeah, I really love this product. And like I said, I didn't pick up the newest version, but still very satisfied with the current one that I have. This is in the shade Do Me. They have a couple other shades in there as well. I'm just going to take a brush just like this. This is the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush, but I like to use this more or less for packing on powder on my face. I'll show you guys. I'll just do a little bit on my cheeks here. So if you want that glow from within, this is a perfect, oops, got that in my hair. This is a perfect powder for that. It doesn't give you that overwhelming, extreme highlighted look, which sometimes I do like that if I'm doing a more natural look. So it just gives you a nice, pretty, subtle glow, as you can tell. But honestly, it doesn't give you that heavy of a highlight. So you can honestly put this product pretty much wherever the heck you want. If you like more matte skin, this is not a product for you, but definitely I am into the more highlighted look. So I love, love, love this product, especially if I have those moments where my skin is looking too dry and flat. Like if I do a matte foundation and I don't really like the appearance of it, I'll put a lot of this all over my face, and it honestly does the trick. Spray it with some setting spray and you're golden. And then for highlighter, I know she released all of her highlighters into little square individual ones. So I actually have the Flash palette from her previous collection in 2019. This is the one that she released at a time. She released every single one of these shades, and actually 4 more of her other shades from her medium to dark palette. And I think she released like a couple new shades that were brand new, but I could be wrong. And also she released like mini tiny highlighters that are perfect for traveling with the same shades, I think in the shades Iced and one other one. And then she released, like, I didn't end up picking this up, but very intense highlighters that are like loose. And she said when you put them on, you just need the tiniest amount, and it's like extreme pigment. So yeah, I didn't end up picking that up because I don't really use products like that. But if you are somebody who likes looks like that, I think that would be a really fun thing to have in your collection. I'm just going to take my absolute favorite highlighting brush. This is the Morphe M438 brush. I love how this applies my highlighter. It gives me the perfect brush to just kind of hug my cheeks and apply the highlighter best. So I already have my opinions about this palette, and I love, love, love these highlighters. They are very extreme and extremely glowy, so these highlighters are not for people who are scared of makeup. These highlighters are honestly amazing. So I'm actually going to take the two lightest shades, Iced and Gleam. Honestly, with this palette, I end up just swirling all of them together and just putting them all over my face, but I am just going to use these two today. Like I said, I already have glow from the Mood Light, but as you can see, this just gives you even more intense highlight. So yeah, Jaclyn absolutely knows what she's doing when it comes to face and base makeup. I have to say, everything I tried out today is amazing. I have already loved everything she's released, and I can't wait for more things, but these products, she's killing the game. So I'm so excited for her. Congrats, Jaclyn. I will keep buying everything. She just released on her Instagram that she's coming out with lip products, so I am so down for that. I believe in second chances, and I'm sure she has perfected her lipsticks versus the first round. Yeah, and I'm just so excited for her. I'm so excited she never gave up. So just gonna set my face with some all-nighter setting spray by Urban Decay. Okay, last and final thoughts. Amazing product. I absolutely loved everything here today, especially since I have never tried out her blushes and bronzers. This was so exciting, and I'm very excited to have this in my collection. The highlighters, love. My face looks amazing. I would totally wear my skin like this every single day. This is the way I like my face to always look, a very highlighted look. I extremely love it, and like I said, the blush and bronzer weren't too highlighty, but they were just a perfect amount of sheen where it makes your face look very healthy and glowy. So I love the formula on that, and I just love how well it blended out into my skin. Like I said, sometimes bronzers don't always blend the best on my skin, but I think it blended out perfectly, and this is without even cleaning it up with any powders and baking your skin. This is just exact application of putting it on with a brush. So it just goes to show you this can be a very easy, fast product. But yeah, so I have nothing but good things to say about this collection, and congrats, Jaclyn. I love her, and I will continue to buy all her other products. And this is not a biased makeup review, it is just my thoughts, but you guys could tell clearly on camera how well that went on, and I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe.